Wow! Hi. We've just begun, Rashmi. We've just taken our first question. We've just shown them the trailer. They've loved it. उन्होंने बोल दिया hit है. I think we'll start with Rashmi on why did you take up Palak? You know, what made you take up the show? We'll start with that. So honestly speaking,
So you all have seen me playing different character on the television and the parda that we talk about, the that it's very small and we call it a television, yes. But then as an actor, when you grow, you have your own dreams and all. तो मुझे नहीं पता था ये एक दिन मुझे अपनी कहानी बता रही थी that I'm working on so and so project and one day I will be part of it. So it was very sudden. And when I read the script, the entire script is from the husband's point of view, and this script is very good, I will say, because एक तो पहली बात इसमें कुछ लोगों ने अपनी ही थियोरी लगाई है, प्लस इट पीपल आर रिलेटिंग इट टू द एक्चुअल तंदूर कांड दैट हैव हैपेंड इन 1996 एंड जब मुझे भी पता चला तो मैंने भी पढ़ा, देन आई हैड माय ओन knowledge about it, but there is nothing like that. Yes, it is, the story is something somewhat like that, but it's not the actual Tandoor Khan. We have just picked up a topic. Secondly, Palak, I will Palak was very interesting for me because as an actor, when you play, you only concentrate on your character, but then this time, for the first time, I have realized that the script is more important. The entire scene, the entire web in this, every episode is so important. Every role, every character, every person, जैसे वो साहिल हो गया, पलक हो गया, and the best friend Ayaz हो गया. So they all are leading from one to another, and that is the reason I actually chose, because मुझे ऐसे लगा कि इनका भी डेब्यू है तो मेरा तो अच्छा हो ही जाएगा for sure.
Right, right. See, firstly, I think one of the things that I luckily had the chance to do, because this happened, we shot the show right after lockdown 1.0, 2020 version got over, right? So I'm like, I need to get into the physicality of the character, because it was important, because he's not traditionally what one would say a good-looking guy, and I feel that also leads to a lot of insecurities and complexes, which then eventually you end up taking out on your partner, and that's what lends itself to the toxicity of the equation that the husband and wife share with each other, you know. So now it's not like getting into like a kurta pajama or a pair of jeans, right? When you have to gain weight or like kind of change your physicality for a project, it requires time, especially if you're trying to do it in as healthy a way as possible. So I went completely unhealthy. I had a lot of soft drinks. I would gulp down like a can of Milkmaid almost on a daily basis. Not hit the gym, not do any cardio. Very bad, not good, not recommended. But I think, as you can see, that dude at the back, I don't really recognize him anymore. Few months later, so yeah. So it was interesting, and I realized, because I've never drastically transformed myself physically, at least for a role. Of course, there's a lot of mental prep that goes in, but when you physically look different, you start performing differently, you start feeling differently, you start thinking differently. So I think that also lent a lot to the credibility of the story. Also because I portrayed this man during three specific stages of his life, you know. So it was interesting. And of course, losing weight after the show wrapped was quite difficult. Yeah. And that happened in December during holiday season. So yeah.
Tanuj, how difficult was it for you to actually come out of the character? Because you know, उसमें जाना आपकी बहुत preparation लगती है, but then after playing such an intense character, how difficult was it for you to actually switch off that character and move on?
Honestly, you know, I've heard many actors who I even look up to, and they've often said that you know, like somehow the character comes home with you and stays with you, and you know, like sometimes it haunts them for a lot of time to come. Luckily for me, I didn't face any problem. In fact, even while we were shooting and stuff, um, uh, you know, one may assume that on a project like that, the general vibe on set would just be very serious, but at some point after a show releases, I will put out some behind the scenes footage, and you'll be like, guys, you'll actually had a blast making this, you know. So I feel if you get along with all the people you work with and the vibe is good, and you also understand like whatever you need to do is between action and cut, and uske baad you can have a good time, then it doesn't really affect you. Also, the thing is, I know that whatever I'm portraying is the character, and these are not my actions or my words in any capacity, right? As an actor, I'm a vessel. I'm just portraying what's on paper. So you shouldn't take it too seriously. I mean, at the end of the day, we're just a bunch of people wearing makeup and acting in front of the camera. So yeah, it's okay. That's cool. Yeah.
See, Tandoor was a project that we wanted our image to be, you know, because ज़्यादातर ये सोचा जाता है कि अगर उल्लू है तो ये सिर्फ edgy content ही बनाते होंगे. But what we wanted with Tandoor was that, you know, we wanted to show people that we have a lot of other good shows that are coming up. हमने इसमें जितनी भी पूरी टीम है उसको बहुत selectively pick करा था. We had really done a lot of research for, you know, the actors we would want to cast, the director we would want to have on board. And the basic idea was that, you know, once we have a good team, because this is a flagship show for us, and we wanted to actually change the perception that people think about Ullu. So with Tandoor, we have a lot of other shows which are coming with really good names, people from the industry. So for us, Tandoor, coming back to your question, Tandoor is something which जिसमें हम सबकी बहुत मेहनत लगी हुई है, हमारी बहुत सारी बहस भी है on a professional front, which is a healthy professional thing. But yes, we are really looking forward for this show. बहुत मेहनत करी है, चाहे वो चैनल हो गया, चाहे वो एक्टर्स हैं, आर्ट डायरेक्टर्स, आर प्रोड्यूसर्स, को प्रोड्यूसर्स, everybody has really worked hard, and inshallah we'll have good results. That's what we are looking forward for. इनिशियली करना पड़ता था, मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूँगी, इनिशियली करना पड़ता था जहाँ से हमने शुरू किया था, बिकॉज ऑल सेड एंड डन हमारा ब्रेड एंड बटर वॉज एजी कॉन्टेंट. वी ऑल नो दैट वी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम देयर, सो आई विल नॉट ट्राई टू हाइड इट. बट हाँ, धीरे धीरे परसेप्शन चेंज हुआ, हमने बहुत अच्छे शोज़ बनाए, बहुत सारे एक्टर्स आए, हमने जो कंटेंट भी लिया फॉर एक्विजिशन, दैट वाज आल्सो, जब हम बना बनाए कंटेंट लेते हैं उसमें भी बहुत से एक्टर्स आए. जब हम नया कंटेंट बना रहे थे, अब बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस ऐसा हो गया कि अब जब हम एक्टर्स के पास जाते हैं तो उनको इतना हिच नहीं होता है करने में. यू नो इफ़ द स्टोरी इज़ नाइस, इफ़, और आजकल एक्टर्स का भी थोड़ा आई थिंक थॉट प्रोसेस इवॉल्व हो गया है, एंड दे ऑल्सो लुक फॉर गुड स्क्रिप्ट्स, गुड यू नो, जहाँ पे उनका कैलिबर और उठ के बाहर आता है. सो प्लेटफॉर्म्स, आई अग्री, पहले वॉज अ इनिशियल प्रॉब्लम, बट नाउ we really have really good names which I would not want to disclose right now, but yes, now we don't face any kind of problem wherein for actors or anybody else we are good, we are in a good space, thankfully.